Okay, in today's 1 Minute Mentor for course launching coaches and consultants, we're talking about how to outline your course content. I'm going to give you one method of doing it. There is many methods of doing it, but this is just a nice simple one. So you want to first start by creating a bit of a grid where you've got what looks like three modules. We've got a blue module, an orange module, and a green module. You can be obviously whatever colors you want. I would recommend a 3x4 grid, although you can make it a 4x4, a 5x4, a 2x2, whatever suits your content. Remember, you are creating a transformation. You need to get people from point A, where they are, to point B, where they want to be, as quickly as possible. So then we want to start naming out our modules. This was for a course that I created a long time ago on how to find remote jobs. So the first module was before you look for remote jobs, then how to find remote jobs, then once you find remote jobs. See how there's a progression there. It's getting from point A to point B. Then we want to start throwing in a bit of content that really fleshes out what is going to be included in those modules. It doesn't necessarily need to be a lesson, but it needs to start forming what is the basic stuff, what is the absolutely critical stuff that I need to be sharing with my audience, as I said, to get them from point A to point B. So that is how you can start. This is a very dynamic thing. You can change it, you can twist it, you can turn it, you can come back to it, revisit it. It is dynamic, it is fluid, so don't feel that whatever you put in here is the be all and end all. It's a beautiful process. So that is a great way to start. Hope that helped.